Durand, Michigan. Hey guys, there's a train right there, and look, it's in those green, red for that westbound that's parked up there. But what's this guy doing, you know? I think he's gonna take the Y, but there's a westbound park up there that's getting ready to move, so. 2 trains right here. Look, see the westbound? Let me show you. Yep. Oh, it looks like he's backing up. But look, the sigнал's green, red. Yep. For the first one. Not moving yet. But yeah, he's backing up. Yeah. But we got a westbound coming on the first line. That's the train up there at the park, I think. He just hasn't turned his light on yet, so we'll film for a couple minutes on the blue camera if it doesn't move. Okay? I don't want to waste my battery. Alright. Here's the other one. Look. Two engines, I think, that's it. I think it's just 2. Uh-oh, the light's on. Right, yep, here. Let me show you the map real quick. Train light's on. The westbound's coming now. Cool. Hurry up. It's coming. First train. Yup. First train. Durand, Michigan. Here. Sorry, it's a little blurry. Every time the train light shines to the camera, you know, at night or in the AM hours, the gates should go down. Hey, well, the train's moving. Give it a minute, it takes time. But I think there's another one behind it. Oh yeah, because I seen the map and it said there's one coming in front, so. That gate going down up there? Not yet, they will. There we go. Okay, let me get the gates. There's the train. Alright, here comes Durand, Michigan. Hang on, let me walk back a blue camera. I got a green, red signal. Yep. Here comes. First train. When it comes, I'll wave. Cool. I'm so happy right now. It's the first train. Not sure how big this one is, but we'll see. Here it comes, buddy. Cool, in the AM hours at night. Durand, Michigan. Cool, I haven't caught one here at night in a while. Well, not really. This is my first nighttime train here. Here it comes. Yep, wave, wave. I will. It's not that close yet to wave. Here it comes. Moving kind of slow. I know it's going pretty fast a little bit. Not too fast. Durand, Michigan. The blue camera's getting blurry. That's alright, that happens. Focus, come on. Whoa! Sorry about that. Oh, now we can bring that. Cool. Wait. Yeah. I didn't catch the number. I saw the number on the second. Oh, faster now. It might be L501 WB. Hey, look, another plate tap. Here. Yeah. See the other plate? Yeah. Sorry about that. Look, you see the other train passing it. Look. Look at that. There's a second train passing it. See that? Oh, I'm gonna stop recording. Oh, the conductor behind it. Cool. Sorry about that. Here. I don't wanna waste my battery. Bye.